Man, it's been a minute, 3 weeks to be exact. And I gotta say, it feels good to be back. I missed this, missed talking with all of you, missed diving into what actually matters, not just the charts, but what Bitcoin really means. And honestly, the timings couldn't be better because while I was away, Bitcoin's almost broke $112,000. Did you feel that? That rush, that jolt of excitement when we pushed up toward a new high? Or was it too short lived? Because for a lot of people, especially retailers, investors, who don't really understand what Bitcoin is, that feeling, it's fleeting. It showed up for a minute and then it's gone. The moment's price dips even a little, that excitement turned into fear. And I hate to say this will happen again and again. Even when Bitcoin hits $500,000 or $2 million, most people will still won't understand what they're holding. They'll cheer for the price, chase the top, chase the pump, and then feels that same emptiness when it's pulled back because to them, Bitcoin is just wealth, just money, just number going up. But Bitcoin is not just that. Bitcoin is freedom. It's freedom for mankind from a system's control just by a handful of men. It's the exits from decades of manipulation, currency debasement, surveillance, and control. But you only see that if you understand it. And that's why retail investors keep losing because most of them don't take the time to learn about Bitcoin. They chase the top, they panic on the drop, and they sell right when the ones who do understand start quietly buying it. And that's exactly what's happening right now. Bitcoin dipped back to $103,000 after the news broke about Israel launching airstrike on Iran. That triggered panic. Even oil spiked, gold jumped, stock futures dropped. The headlines were loud and people got scared. In just under 2 hours, we watched over $427 million in long positions got liquidated. Stop losses, leverage, weak hands, all shaken out in an instant. But the big players, they were waiting because this is the moment they love. When convictions got tested, when retail loses focus, when short-term noise scares people away, that's when they accumulate even more. And that's the pattern every cycle. I hate to say this, but it is the truth. Retail sells, institution buy. Retail runs on emotion. Big players run on strategies. So if you're watching this right now and you're still stacking, I need you to hear this. You already ahead of 95% of the world population because you're not just chasing bitcoins for the hype. You're stacking for something way bigger. You're stacking for independence, for sovereignty, for your family, for your futures, and for the generations that comes after you. This isn't about Lambo and moon memes. It's about protections from inflations, from manipulations, from systems that print away your time, your labor, and your value. Bitcoin doesn't do that. Bitcoin respects your time, your work, your savings. It gives you something that can't be inflated, can't be censored, can't be frozen. That's the core of this. And the sad truth is, most people will never see it. Even at $500,000 per coin, even at $2 million per coin, they'll still just see rich people get richer. They won't realize it's a tool. It's a shield, a defense against systems that rigged it to keep most people running on a hamster wheels forever. So let this dip remind you why you're here. Let the volatility harden your mindset. Because if you're in this for real, if you're building for your bloodline, not just yourself, that none of this short-term noise can shake you out. You are not here for the pump. You are here for a position. And yeah, the price dropped, but the fundamental, they haven't changed. Inflation is cooling down, and the Fed's not cutting yet, but monetary pressures is slowly unwinding. The dollar's weakening. Institutions are still buying, my friend. And Bitcoin keeps doing what it's built to do, block by block, silently, consistently, and trustlessly. So I'm glad I came back during this kind of moment because it's the perfect times to remind everyone what this really is. Not just price action, but a movement, a revolution that isn't loud or violent, but patient, resilient, and unstoppable. You are not just investing in Bitcoin, you're investing in a future where you don't need permissions to live, work, or thrive. And that is priceless, my friend. So, yeah, I'm back. I'm refreshed. And I'm doubling down because while others are selling the futures for a quick buck, I'm stacking even more. And I hope you are too. If this hit deep, let me know. Drop a comments below and tell me that you are still stacking. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you're ready for more real talks like this because we got a lot to cover. And this next chapter, it's going to be big. And my friend, whatever amounts of sets you got, please hold it tight, stack it right. And I hope to see you in the next video. All right, take care for now.